Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Karani bin Syed Mustafa. So today our team Group 5 will present our mini project that is called Aerial Planting Drone. So as the title goes, our mini project theme was drone or UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle. So I will start this presentation with the introduction first. So drone development has already begun in the early 20th century or in the 19th century during the World War One. So the main function of drone that time was only for military uses such as bombing, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Uh, Drone didn't possess a sophisticated ability at first, but recently drone has continuing to advance. Uh, it has many other uses such as photography, delivery services, military operation, search and rescue mission, and other activity. Then I will also talk about the background of how our team got the idea to use drone as a method to plant trees. So just recently, many news has stated that climate change, very serious climate change, has recently alarmed numerous parties such as government and such as nation and government. So to combat this problem, many nation and non-governmental organizations have started putting their action to plant trees, particularly forest trees. But the problem is planting trees requires an excessive amount of human labor and wasn't effective. The main reason that it's not effective is because of the terrain topography and also the area which is very wide and take a long time just to plant that tree. So this gave our team's idea to why don't we just create a drone that able to plant trees at once at a shorter period of time. Then I will also talk about the objective of this mini project. So firstly, what we can earn from this project is that we can apply the knowledge that we already learned, the basic engineering drawing skill, and also by using the computer aided design software or CAD. This can also increase the proficiency our proficiency in using the CAD software. And thirdly, we can also learn to draw a 3D drawing based on theme and object choosing by our team. And last but not least, to learn how to finish this task as a group. That's all for me. Thank you very much. I will pass this presentation to next person, Lokman.
For methodology, we basically finished the project within 1 month. So we started at 29 March that we discussed the detail about the project, and then in 5 April, our group leaders Karani present about our theme to the lecture, and then we discuss with group member for more about the project in 6 April, and then we submit mini project report in 12th April, and we upload report on GC in 17 April. And for the last one is we upload group presentation with video in 26 April. So for additional notes, we basically do fillet edge to create fillet in 3D drawing that can save us a lot of time upon completing the drawing. So for the result, we do 5 drawing that for main body, propeller, 6 dispenser, stand, and assembly drawing. So for main body, It offers a solid foundation for the rest of its parts. To guard against damage brought on by impacts or the environment. So the last one, drones aerodynamic, which impact its speed, stability, and maneuverability for the drone. So I think the main body is the most important thing that you must do. The impact, the speed, the stability, and the maneuverability. And then for propeller rotation produces downward force that creates lift. Propeller have 4 in the drone. Propeller provide propulsion which move the drone forward or backward. Propeller alter its speed and direction of motion by changing the speed of its propeller. Okay. So for seat dispenser is to keep the seats organized, protected, and readily accessible. Use electronic device to shoot seat spot at a strong enough velocity that they embedded into the soil. So seat dispenser is for shoot the seat pots for at the land. So for the stand, it guarantees a calm takeoff for the drone and prevents any harm from an abrupt departure. Guarantees a soft landing for the drone and prevent any damage from hard landing. So the stand is prevent the drone to broke and the drone prevent any damage from hard landing. So for the last one is assembly drawing. So this is the look of assembly drawing.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Isfi Rudin, and today I will present the discussion of our mini project. The reason why drone is chosen as an alternative to replace human is because the drone can move easily in the air, and it can make the job easier and take shorter time to finish the job. Aerial planting drone. This aerial planting drone theoretically can plant many more than it can be done by human, because this drone can freely move, and it is very easy to use. The reference drawing gives us the rough idea on how the object would look, the drone would look. Then it is making it easier for us to make the 3D drawing using the computer aided design Autocad software. Finally, the dimension we use is from a reference on the internet. To solve this problem, we use a random dimension that fit the overall size of the object.
My name is Alatohira binti Al-Tuli, number metric 222060354. So I want to talk about conclusion. So in conclusion, we as a group successfully completed this mini project task. Although we experienced many problems, but we were able to solve the problem together with our group members, so that the task can be finished. We also managed to achieve this object. We also managed to achieve the objective of this mini project assignment for this time. We as a group able to complete the task within the set time by dividing each task into small tasks for each group member so that the task can be completed faster and um, the work will be more easier to be done. In addition to that, this mini project is carried out during Ramadan. Uh, we as a group can provide support for each other so that there is no reason for us to not finish to finish and completed this mini project task. So for the recommendation on the body parts, it can be replaced with a composite material such as carbon fiber because because it is because it can increase the hardness and to do heavier tasks. Um, and why I said that the body part is important because uh, it is a main part of the neuron. So if the body part damaged or cannot function properly, or the body parts have a low of material function, so that the drone cannot function properly and cannot work properly. Last but not least, we are use hybrid motor because it has more torque and power, and it also can maintain enough energy for the electric part. And this hybrid motor is also environmentally friendly, so there is no need to worry when installing the drone to put this hybrid motor as one of the function for the drone to work. That's all from me. Thank you.